Hello my dear students, I welcome you to NEET World. So in this session, we will be discussing about carbylamine test. So carbylamine test is used to detect the primary amines. Okay, so this is a qualitative analysis to identify the primary amines. You can understand like that. Okay, so let us discuss about this. So what are exactly primary amines? Always remember, see, amines means we know this is ammonia, right? So NH3 means ammonia. So from this, replace one hydrogen with one alkyl group. Alkyl group means it should contain at least one carbon atom. So let us say RNH2, I am taking one, I am removing one hydrogen, I am replacing with alkyl groups. So one alkyl group I am representing with R. So like this, if it is having to the nitrogen only one alkyl group is attached, then we can say that as the primary amine. So this is primary amine. Okay, now if two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl or aryl groups, then we will get something like this, one R and another alkyl group and one hydrogen. Now this is secondary. Okay, now if I replace all three hydrogens with three other alkyl groups, then what we will be getting? Tertiary amine we are getting. So now carbylamine test is shown only by the primary amines. Hope it is clear now. Now let us discuss about the chemical reaction, what exactly happening here. Okay, so just read these definitions first. Okay, so carbylamine test is a chemical test used to detect the presence of primary amines. Okay, so it is usually used to detect the primary, that is whether it can be aliphatic or aromatic. It can be utilized for the both the purposes. Okay, now when a primary amine is heated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it means basic medium. So what they are saying, so if this is a primary amine, so upon treating this with the chloroform CHCl3, so in presence of alkali medium, that is KOH, okay, it forms alkyl isocyanide. It means it will be forming something like this. So it will be forming RNC, this is alkyl isocyanide, which is having very bad smell, that is what, rotten fish smell we will be getting. So that is what the foul smell we can say in the terminology. So this indication is for, so this foul smell is an indication for formation of alkyl isocyanide. Okay, hope it is clear. Now let us discuss little more about this. See, test for alkyl isocyanide. So this is a formula, primary amine chloroform reacting with reacting in presence of alkali medium, forming this RNC, which is responsible for the foul smelling compound. Okay. Next, let us discuss about the mechanism here. Okay, so what is the mechanism here? I told you chloroform is there. So chloroform, see, chloroform upon treating with basic medium forms like this by elimination of this acidic proton. This base abstract this acidic proton and forms CCl3 minus. Okay, so carbon ion formation takes place. So which upon again elimination of this chloride ion takes place from here. So now it will be getting CCl2, which is called as dichlorocarbon. Okay, now dichlorocarbon is a intermediate in this reaction. So what is the intermediate in the carbylamine test? Dichlorocarbon is a intermediate. We can write it as CCl2. Hope it is also clear. Okay, now how this carbylamine, like this, how the intermediate is formed in this reaction? By 1-1 elimination or alpha-alpha elimination. It means what? From the same carbon, hydrogen and chloride ion both are eliminating from the same carbon, from the same position. It means from the same carbon atom. So we can say if both atoms are eliminating from the same atom, see here hydrogen H plus is eliminated from the same carbon and chloride ion also is eliminated from the same carbon. So that we can say 1-1 elimination or alpha-alpha elimination. Okay, hope it is clear what is the mechanism involved in the formation of carbylamine, I mean this dichlorocarbon. It is 1-1 elimination. Hope it is clear. And this is the intermediate. Dichlorocarbon is the reactive intermediate, you should remember. Okay, then next, so primary amines react with chloroform CCl dichlorocarbon. Okay, so this dichlorocarbon, which is intermediate, which is reacting with this RNH2 and forming what? Alkyl isocyanates, right? So now this is given by aliphatic aromatic amines. Okay, and this test is negative for, so for which of this it is negative? It is negative for secondary, tertiary amines as well as amides, anilides and nitro compounds. These test is negative. It will be shown only by the primary amines, both aliphatic and aromatic. I hope everything is clear now. Now I just wanted to get answer from your side. So identify which are the following is showing carbyl amine test, which is giving positive test towards the carbyl amine test. Okay, so now write the answer in the comment box. I will be waiting for you. So what is the main thing here we need to take? we need to check whether given amine is primary, secondary or tertiary. That is what we need to identify. If it is primary amine, yes, that will be giving the carbylamine test. So I have given you hint also here, just indicating which is primary, which is secondary, which is tertiary. To the nitrogen only one alkyl group is attached, then it is primary amine. So based on that you can identify and answer in the comment box. So thank you for watching. Keep learning.